y equals 4x minus 2 and 3y minus 2x equals a negative 6. Things to watch out for here are the following. A variable that is by itself. If you see a variable completely by itself and equivalent to some expression, that means you're going to insert this expression in for this variable in the other equation. 4x minus 2 will go in place of y in the other one. It will happen like this. Instead of 3 times y, you will have 3 times the quantity of 4x minus 2. Close the quantity, and then minus 2x equals a negative 6. This expression has been entered here for y in a set of parentheses. You cannot just write 4x minus 2 without the parentheses here. This expression in here for y, there in parentheses. That is because y equals this expression, so you can change it out for this one. And then from there you're going to have to distribute 3 times 4x and 3 times minus 2. From there you add like terms. You have 12x minus 2x. That is 10x. And keep this minus 6 where it's at. Now move the minus 6 to the right. Make it plus 6. Simplify to get a 0. 0 divided by 10 is just 0. So we know that x equals 0. You can plug that 0 back into one of your original 2 equations. We have to find y. We found x. Y is by itself. So why not put 0 in for x here? So that would be y equals 4 times 0 minus 2. 4 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 2 is a negative 2. You have solved for y. The solution to this system of equations is a point, because these are 2 lines on a graph. They intersect at some point. So your point must be x, y. X is 0 from here, and y is negative 2 from there. 0, negative 2 is the solution. Y equals negative x plus 5, and 3y minus 4x equals negative 27. Notice that you have a variable that is by itself already. It is the y. It is equal to negative x plus 5. You can substitute this expression in for y in the other equation. So if we do this, it is not 3 times y now, it is 3 times this expression, negative x plus 5. And then minus 4x equals a negative 27. Distribute the 3. 3 times a negative x is negative 3x. 3 times 5 is 15. Minus 4x equals negative 27. Add like terms. You have a negative 3x minus 4x. That is a negative 7x. Your plus 15 stays along. Now move that plus 15 to the right side and make it minus 15. Simplify the right side to get negative 42. And divide negative 42 by negative 7 to get 6 for x. So you've solved for x, and now you need y. You can plug that 6 into either of the 2 equations in black that we started with. Use the easiest one, and that one is going to be y equals negative x plus 5. X is 6. So instead of negative x, we have negative 6. And I put two negative signs by mistake, so we'll just make that one plus. So a negative 6 is just a negative 6. Negative 6 plus 5 is a negative 1. So we have x equals 6, y equals a negative 1. The solution is a point, since both of these equations represent a line. They intersect somewhere. So that point is 6, negative 1. This is x, and this is y. Tell me what I have to do first on this problem. What do I do first? We can substitute in y minus 4 in for x in the top equation. So here it is. What do I do next after I put y minus 4 in? Cannot solve for y, yes. Or no, we can distribute, that's right. 3 times y is 3y. And 3 times minus 4 is minus 12. So I have 3y minus 12 equals negative 3y plus 12. What can I do next? We will move this negative 3y to this side and make it plus 3y. And then move this minus 12 to the right, make it plus 12. When I simplify both sides, what do I get? That's right, 6y equals 24. And what do I have to do to get y? Divide 24 by 6. What is 24 divided by 6? 4. So y equals 4. Now what do I have to do to solve for x? That's right, we can put y equals 4. The 4 in for this y in the second equation. So instead of x equals y minus 4, we have x equals 4 minus 4, which is 0. And for our answer, x is 0, y is 4. We have negative 4x plus 7. That is equal to y. That means this expression can go in for this y. Instead of 2y, it is 2 times the quantity negative 4x plus 7. And then plus 2x equals 14. Distribute the 2 to get negative 8x plus 14 plus 2x equals 14. Add like terms. Negative 8 and plus 2, which is a negative 6. So negative 6x plus 14 equals 14. Move the plus 14 to the right, make it minus 14. Negative 6x equals 0, and 0 divided by negative 6 is 0. So x is 0. We will insert this 0 for x back up here into this one. So that would be y equals a negative 4 times 0 plus 7. Y equals a negative 4 times 0 plus 7. Negative 4 times 0 is 0. If I add 7 to 0, I get 7. So now we know that we have x equals 0 and y equals 7. So the solution is 0, 7. We have 4y plus 10 equal to x. Here's x. Put 4y plus 10 in right here. 2 times the quantity 4y plus 10, close the quantity, and then plus 3y equals 20. Distribute the 2 to 4y and to 10 to come up with 8y plus 20. And then add like terms. 8y and 3y is 11y. Move the plus 20 to the right side and make it minus 20. There's a 0. Divide that 0 by 11 and come up with 0. So y equals 0, which means we can put 0 right here. You can also put it here and solve. It makes no difference. We'll put it right there. So that would be x equals 4 times 0 plus 10. X equals 4 times 0 plus 10. So 0 plus 10 is going to be 10. The solution, x is 10, y is 0. X plus 9 equals y. Here's y. Put this x plus 9 in place of y. So that is 2 times the quantity x plus 9. And then plus x equals 3. Distribute the 2 to get 2x plus 18. And then add like terms. 2x and x is 3x. And then plus 18 equals 3. Move the plus 18 to the right, make it minus 18. 3 minus 18 is negative 15. Divide negative 15 by 3 to get a negative 5. So x is negative 5. We can put this negative 5 back in here or here. It makes no difference. I'll put it here. Y equals a negative 5 plus 9. That is a positive 4. So x is negative 5, y is positive 4. Your answer is negative 5, 4.